Hello guys, this is me Monica. Here I'm back with a new video. And today we are going to add pop-up to our website. So let's get started. Okay, before that let me explain pop-up. Pop-up is a form of online advertising and digital marketing strategy to promote content and products on World Wide Web. Pop-up always appear in the foreground of user interface. To make pop-ups, several plugins are available like Popup Maker, Ice Grab, and many more. Here, I'm going to make pop-up using Ice Grab plugin. So let's install this plugin. For that, here you should be in the dashboard, and now go to Plugins, click on Add New. Then search here Ice Grab. And now you can see here's the pop-up plugin Ice Grab. So let us install it. And now let's activate. Now it is activated and here you can see message of welcome to Ice Grab. So here now we want to add a campaign, right? So let us go to add new campaign. And here you can see lots of templates. What type of campaign you want to add, you can choose of your choice. Here you can see some are written max and some are free. So you can see this max are paid one and those where it isn't written they are free. And if you wish to pay, then you can pay and buy these kinds of templates, or you can choose the free one too. Also, you can see what kind of message type you want to display, like we want to make a pop-up, right? So let's click on pop-up. So here you can see lots of the pop-ups over here. So let me choose this pop-up of 30% Black Day. If you wish to edit this one or use this one, then just go to use this. Certainly now you will reach to the editing page. And here, now you have to edit the pop-up or you can make the format which you want. Like here, the message was 30% off Black Friday sale, right? So here you can write whatever you wish to display, like 30% Black Friday sale on. So here I have written this one. Furthermore, if you will go here you can see headline too. You can add the headline like offer. Similarly, if you go here in the animation, there it is given no animation. If you select here, you can select like slide type animation, and now you can choose what type of slide you want, bottom, inline, this type. So let me choose here bottom. So now let's go up and let's click on preview campaign and let's see how our website pop-up will look like. So you can see it will look like this, and here you can see there is a message for the email, add to your email, receive your coupons right away, and these. Let us suppose we want to change this. So now let's again go to the edit campaign, and when you will software swipe it down, then you can see add your email to receive your count of coupon. Here let us write, so I have written some much more a message over here. Downward there was something send my off 30%. Now here I want to display this message as confirm. Now if you want to change the color, then you can select either default theme colors or want to change some color, then you can select here. Let me select this as this color, and similarly in the bottom let me select the color as black. Okay, now we are done with this. And similarly, if you wish to add here media, then you can add, or if you want to add the form, then also you can add the form. Like let us add this contact form. Okay, so let us add form. And if you don't wish to add, then you can delete this code and the form is deleted. You can see some display rule. When you go to display rule, then you can see here where you want to show your pop-up. you want to show in a home page or in other selected page, then you can tick here. But I want to show it in a home page, so I'm ticking this. So I have selected this home page. And similarly, when you want to show, if you schedule some, then you can schedule also, or if you want to always show whenever a customer or you can say any visitor visits your site and you wanted to display it, then you can click on always, or you can give the schedule. Like suppose you are doing marketing, right? So the sale is for just today. So you can schedule it for just today or some limited time. Also, if you want to have some timer, then you can enable the timer over there, but it is a premium version, I can't use it. Similarly, here it is a device option. Where you want to display your pop-up. Suppose you want to display it only to the laptop users, or you can say PC users, tab users, not to the mobile users, then you can just select this one. Or if you want to display it to the whole one, then just do select these ones. I want this pop-up to be displayed to all the smartphone, mobile phone, tablet and PC users. So I have ticked this on. Actually it is default ticked. If you don't want, then you just deselect it, but I'm selecting here. Finally, who can see this plugin? Here only all the users can see. Here logged users only. So you can select here also of your choice. Here in the retargeting option, you can see here once shown, do not show this campaign again form. Like we know that pop-up are really actually a distracting factor. Sometimes it disturbs us, right? So if you will select this option, then once the visitor, only the pop-up will be displayed to that visitor only one. So select here, then you can see for how many sessions you want that one to be displayed. So like we can say I can choose today. And now this done. Okay, now you can change the display rule if you want, or you can keep as it is default. Now, if you want to see how our pop-up will look in our website, then you can just go to preview campaign. And now, here you can see our pop-up will be visible like this one. Here, this one is not clearly visible. Let me make this more dark. So again, go to edit campaign and in messaging. Go down. So for that, you can see here the option of select color. Let us go to this and let us select it to the black color, and similarly select the color of this one too. Okay, and also I forget to tell you about something. This is the code about Instagram plugin. Like there you have asked to give the details of your email, right? So if you will enter any kinds of email and click on there the confirm option, then you will be linked to another page or for the further procedure. So this is the HTML details or link over here. You can also change this. And so now let us go to preview campaign and let's see how our pop-up look. Okay, this is like now it is visible, and now when you will click on this email, then it will ask for your email. You can type any kinds of email and then you can confirm it. Then it will load to another page. So now we want to set it. So let's go back and click on publish. Here, now it is published. Now let us go to our site blog. And then you can see here our pop-up is ready. Now again, if you will search your site, then you'll get your pop-up there available. Now here, if I will open my website, then you can see this is the pop-up which you have created. Okay, that's all. This way you can create pop-up on your website, either to advertise or for some queries. Okay, that's all. Also do subscribe to our YouTube channel and press on bell icon for never missing any updates.